Well, alrighty everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, as usual, I'm gonna teach you guys some real life English conversation, real life English words that you use every day, alright? So today, we're gonna talk about stuff related to car, like vehicles, alright? Alright, so this right here is my car. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop in real quick. Alright. Alright, so now that I'm inside of this car, let me show you guys around real quick. Alright. If you look at this thing right here, it's called the steering wheel. Alright. This right is the thing that we use to go left and right, alright, to steer the vehicle. And that's the reason it's called the steering wheel. Alright. Now if you look at this thing right here, outside of the car, it's called the side view mirror. Alright. We got two of them on both sides. Side view mirror. Alright. And this right is the thing, it's called the rear view mirror. Alright. The mirror that we use to see what's at the back. Yep. Now, this thing right here is called the dashboard. Hold on, let me. Now, if you look at this thing right here, it's called the dashboard. Alright. It's got a lot of information. Alright. And then this thing over here is called the speedometer. Alright. Right. And then you got a couple information over here, like how many kilometers has been driven so far, like the fuel gauge, alright, how much fuel you've got in the tank, alright, and a bunch of other stuff. Yep. Now this thing right here is called the gear handle, alright. Now this basically is used to put the vehicle in gear, because this right here is a manual car. I drive a manual car. So, wait, hold on, it's really dark. Alright. Now if you look at down here, there are like 3 pedals, alright? Now the first one on the right side is called the accelerator, alright? The one in the middle is called the brake, right? And the one on the left is called the clutch. So you got ABC, accelerator, brake, and clutch, right? Alright, now this thing right here is called the parking brake, right? Or it's called the handbrake. Now, if you push it down like this, it's going to get disabled, right? But then when you pull it up again, you're enabling the parking brake, right? Then you got seats over here, right? And this right here is called the windshield. It's like a mirror outside. Yep. So what do you guys think? I hope you guys liked the video. How about you subscribe for more?